So I thought I'd just record a bit of a 3D printing handy tip. We haven't been printing for quite a while, just really distracted by other things going on in the world, so our printers have been sitting idle. Well, half of them, more than half of them, been sitting idle for a couple of months, and the weather's got colder and it's all quite comfortable, and that's made a really good impression on the prints, because I think when the printers are running full time that they get hot, and when they get hot all the metal expands and the rubber belts expand, and it all gets a bit loose and a bit wobbly, and you wonder why all your prints are going a bit strange. But after you've let them rest for a long time and they contract and they get cold and maybe they get hoovered and cleaned up a lot more, you turn them back on again, and all that expansion and heat issue's gone away, and the prints start to look really good. So I'm reprinting a pit droid. You'll see it on our Facebook page somewhere. Did it ages ago, absolutely loved it, probably one of the best things we've ever done, the greatest reward for effort ever. And so here are the prints, and you know, no 3D printing is perfect, and being on camera always makes them look cool, because it kind of gauzy and blurs them all, a bit like putting muslin over the camera when you're shooting a film. But they're coming up really nice. Yes, there's stringing and stuff, but not really bothered about that, it flakes off. And it's just really, really going nice, really looking smooth. And I really do put that down to the fact that the printers have had a rest and everything's resettled, and perhaps I've given it some maintenance and some love and care as well. But they're all just chuntering away quite happily, and when they're happy, I'm happy. And when I'm happy, the family's happy, and so it's all going great. So I just thought I'd share that kind of bit of knowledge. Sometimes you just fight against the printers and you just can't work out what's going on, and 30 steps later you're all exasperated and stressed, and you know, sometimes machines just need a rest. I think it's the same with the car. Come back from holiday, left the car for ages, you turn it on, it just seems to have more pull and more responsiveness, and it's all tighter and happier. So yeah, just a quick note, a quick tip. I hope it helps some of you.